Harry vibes. Hello everyone, thank you so much for joining me. I am back with another video just like I am every single Friday. Today I drew inspiration from the one, the only, Harry Styles. I am obsessed with Harry and One Direction for that fact. I literally think about them on the daily, and I could think about them for a little bit too long and start crying because I love them so much. But let's not do that today. I want to take inspiration from the shoot of Harry in the pink water. So if you also like Harry or One Direction, or if you just like watching me do my makeup, please watch to see how you can get this very glowy vibe here. So I'm going for a very light coverage for today's look, since it's inspired by Harry's little pink bark moment. It's very soft vibes to me, so we want very minimal looks today. So there's the base down. I want to put a lot of highlight on, and I want to do it at this stage just because my skin's still tacky, so it should pick up a lot of product. So let's go in and put in a lot of highlight. I can't breathe. Now I'm not going to contour my face just because, I don't know, this just doesn't give me harsh vibes, and I feel like contour's just not the essence of how soft this feels to me. For the first step of doing my eyes, I just have this really soft pink, what's the word, diffused eye look. So I did that just by taking a little bit of the hot pink shade and a little bit of the baby pink, starting just at my bottom lower lash line, working that out, bringing it up a little bit and V'ing it out, and a lot of blending. So that is the base pink part done. I like to go in with my eyebrows once I've gotten the main part of my eyes done. For this particular look, I want my eyebrows to look a little bit bushy and natural looking, not so, I don't know what the word is, but not so fake looking, I guess. So let's just do a little bit of a spruce of the brows. So I did a lot of upwards brushing for my eyebrows just then, and I didn't fill them in as much as I usually do, just because we want that like vibe. Did that really explain it? It didn't. I know it didn't, but that's fine. So next up, what shall we do? This man is so beautiful. It really hurts my heart. You know what, like, that is a fucking look, but my favorite image of Harry in this book is this one, because yes, he has his shirt off and that's fantastic, but he makes it look like he's modeling, and he literally looks so stupid. Like, who does that? Who's allowed to be that pretty? Honestly. So next up I'm adding some yellows into it. I just feel like that yellow is a Harry vibe, so just a little bit on the inner corner here. I just wanted to note that the color, like I've added the yellow there on the inner corners and then like up here. So I don't want it in any one spot. Everything just has to be flowy and, you know, just whatever. Just go with the flow. So next up I want to add some little leaves and flowers in bits of my face and eyes. So I will just get some graphic liners so that we can draw those in. I just changed my earrings because these give me a very Harry water vibes. So I've just got this reference picture. So I will be sticking with those oranges and pinks. Might chuck a little bit of green in there. Just to recreate some of the stuff happening in there. I don't really have a particular tutorial on how to do this because I'm just sort of winging it, but you get the idea of what sort of shapes and things I want anyway. So let me just go and chuck these in. Let's do it. There we are. I know it doesn't look like much, but I've got some little petals and flowers on my face. I took a lot of inspiration from this one particular petal. I did that shape a couple times on my face. It's hard for you to kind of capture it from on the screen here, but anyway, that's that part done. I now want to do my lashes. No, there's something else I want to do. I want to do my lid. I want to put a glitter. Probably just a baby pink glitter. Let's do that. Cool. Love that bit of shimmer there. Now for the lashes, I want to go, instead of a black mascara, I'm doing a pink mascara. This, I feel like, will just help with that soft look. I don't want any harsh colors on my face today. Now for the lip, I'm doing a pink. I just want to do it on the inner part of my lip and then just diffuse it out with a brush. Now the only touch I would add to this look is to like do my hair. So like having a really nice soft curls in would be really pretty, but that ain't gonna happen, kids. I'm too sick to be bothered to do anything. But I think this is a really nice neutral? I don't know, I'd call this neutral in my opinion. It's really like nice and easy, and I really like this lip, even though usually I like having my lips look super big and bold and fishy. I think it's just really gentle, and yeah, I like it. I'd also consider spraying some setting spray, or like a, you know, one of those dewy finish sprays, just to look like you've been sitting in a bathtub full of pink water like Harry, you know? So yeah, I guess that's it for today. Thanks so much for joining me. Have a good day. Goodbye. I don't know what to say now.